Hey, Hubs team. Hey, this is Sage. Just wanted to thank you for the awesome work you're doing. Really having fun with the video texture source component that you just released on GitHub. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know I've got a scene built here, and I was having some trouble getting two cameras or more than one camera to work. I first tried it in Blender. I had one scene where I had two cameras, and I had all the components set up properly, camera one, camera two, but it only seemed to take one of the cameras. So I actually I created two scenes or two files in Blender, one with one camera, another screen with another camera. And when I brought them into the same scene in Spoke, I noticed that it still only takes one camera source. And I also noticed that it's only taking the top level camera in the hierarchy in Spoke. So maybe that's a tip for you guys. Anyway, having fun. Can't wait to get more cameras working in here. For example, I had a camera over, as you can see there at the top. I have my second camera, although it's not working unless I change the order of the cameras in the spoke hierarchy and export my scene again. So just having some fun with this. Thanks, and looking forward to some more cool stuff from you guys.